Duggan BJ Constructions. We're back over at Runaway Bay here, and the boys are up putting on the roof. You see the roof trusses. They've started this morning. They had a really good crack at it, and it's really turning out well. So before they started this morning, you see just below, well, on top of the brick pier there, a bit of grey, darker grey. The termite guys put some termite protection up there as per the building code. So you can see at the front we've got a Dutch gable at the front, set of rafters coming down there, and it all looks really good. It all lines up nice, true plane. We have had to put it up a little bit higher than the other roof because of the setback for the council conditions. It can't come over the boundary. So as a consequence, the truss manufacturer built up the hill, which is the bottom part there. So that's it's worked out good, and we haven't encroached the boundary, so it looks really good. So we're just going to have a look inside underneath here and see what's going on. Hello, Paul. Paul, there he is, the man himself. You've had a good day today, boys?
We have. We've done well.
Done really well.
Gel.
Looks really good. So yeah, that's all good. So they've still got to come back here now. We've got to cut these eaves back in this house. So because these are too low now, so we've got to cut them right back, and then that'll be all bringing all the same ceiling height the same up in there. So, hey Jono, Tommy. So there you go. The boys have had a really good day today, and you can see the just on top of the steel beam there is a piece of flat timber. That's called the top plate now. That's bolted onto the steel. You see the bolts going through there, holding that on. And what we do is we tie down, you can see the brackets, the silver ones on the side of those trusses. They tie down, they tie the truss down onto the top of that. So the high winds and velocity, it just won't go anywhere. But yeah, it's looking well. They've had a really good day today. I'm very pleased with it. So anyway, look, we've got to come back here and just have another look from in here. You can see where that roof, the old roof is, where it's been peeled back through there. We get a better look over here. We put what we call diminishing trusses where that old roof comes back and it blends in, and it saves having to pull any of the old stuff up. I don't know if I can get an angle on it. Probably here, but there's a spot you can see it from there. So just where Paul's standing behind him, and back to the front of the garage there, they're diminishing trusses. And these other ones here along this area, they're known as the common trusses. And then this other one at the front, it's a truncated truss, the front one, and that's a bit heavier than the others, and it holds up the front roof. And it all, you'll see it all come together. So now the next thing is the boys have got to get it ready for the fascia. That'll go on Wednesday. Today's Monday. So tomorrow they'll be mucking around, getting it all finished off, ready for the fascia. And then I've got the roof tilers booked for Thursday. So if that all comes off and the weather stays kind, we will have a nice covered in job, and we can take the tarp. So we just went and bought a big tarp so we can cover it all up. We'll go across back over the road, and it all looks really, really good. Look at that plane back here. So see how, from a distance, how it looks. Yeah, it looks. See how it looks. How it's going to blend into that roof. It's going to be beautiful. Fantastic. So I'm very happy with that. And, boys done an excellent job. It's a day's work. It goes up, and there's 3 blokes up there know what they're doing. So I'm very happy. So anyway, this is Brian signing off for today, and we'll be back in the next day or so to have another look. Thank you.